The aim of this project was to investigate automated level design techniques through the development of multiple prototypes. The sentence generator automates level design by defining sections of platformer game levels in one or two words. New sentences are procedurally generated using a parse tree. Not only does the sentence generator show the simplicity of automating level design, but by replacing the words with complex data seen in the poetry prototype, sentences can be transformed into playable levels. The hero's journey prototype automates level design through a parse tree and the narrative parts crossing the threshold and returning home, taken from the hero's journey structure. This prototype shows the ability for non-game specific media structures to be used as level design mechanics. It also shows the diversity of ways a parse tree can be used. The 3D level generator automates level design by learning from pre-designed levels using a Markov chain. The system generates a new permutation based on the learned data. This prototype shows the scrambling issue seen when learning and generating from tile-based levels. To solve this, the shapes prototype was developed which handles features as a whole rather than individual tiles. Influenced by the Markov number generator, the heights and deltas prototype automates level design by learning from either the height position or the change in height position. This prototype learns from 5 100 tile long pre-made levels. It uses backtracking to help determine what to generate and keeps continuity between permutations. This leads to uninteresting levels when a high backtracking is used, amongst other issues. This project has looked at interesting solutions to automating level design, and drawn inspiration from different related research projects and non-game forms of media. Each prototype has shown a balance of positive and negative aspects of design. I hope this research project will help to inspire others with similar projects in the future.